There are many products available to choose filing cabinets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best filing cabinets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Poppin Stow Rolling File Cabinet. The Poppin Stow Rolling File Cabinet is made of powder-coated steel and available in your choice of white, black, gray, or teal. This compact 2-drawer unit is set up for hanging files, and each drawer extends all the way out for easy access without tipping over. If you're looking for a secure cabinet, you'll be glad to know that both drawers on this model are lockable, and you'll get a set of 2 keys. We also like that this file cabinet has 4 caster wheels that glide smoothly, spin 360 degrees for easy transport, and lock into place to prevent the cabinet from rolling away. Good news, the Stow arrives fully assembled, and if you order it from Poppin, you can take advantage of the brand's white glove delivery service and generous 120-day return policy. Number 2. Davidson Stockpile Curve File Cabinet. If wheels are a must-have for your file cabinet, consider the Davidson Stockpile Curve, our best with wheels pick. Available in over a dozen colors, this file cabinet has smooth caster wheels, which make it easy to roll around your home, whether you place it in your office or under a desk. This model has a sleek look that would look great in any workspace. It features 1 large drawer for letter-size hanging folders, plus 2 smaller drawers for other important items you want to keep secure. This means that it might not have enough room for all your files if you need 2 drawers worth of space. On the plus side, all 3 drawers are lockable. There's also a 2-year warranty. Number 3. Stani 4-drawer file cabinet. Need something bigger for storing your paper documents? The Stani file cabinet might be your best bet. It's made of sturdy steel and features 4 wide drawers, each lockable with ball-bearing suspension for smooth, quiet opening and closing. Plus, when one drawer opens, the others lock to prevent tipping. Recessed handles give this file cabinet a streamlined appearance, and it also features card slots on the front to add labels. We should note this unit has to be assembled at home. Also, it's 140 pounds when empty, so you'll want to set it up in the room where you plan to keep it, as it'll be more of a hassle to move than smaller models or ones with wheels. Number 4. BirdRock Home File Cabinet with 1 drawer. If you're short on space and need something more compact, the BirdRock Home Rolling Cabinet might be just the thing. It measures about 14 inches tall, 14 inches wide, and 16.5 inches deep, with a single drawer for hanging letter or legal-size file folders, depending on the direction you hang them. Featuring a metal and MDF medium-density fiberboard frame and fabric-covered drawer, this unit comes in a dark driftwood gray or white with a gray drawer. The caster wheels make it easy to move around your space. Plus, if you ever need more storage, you can buy additional cabinets and stack them together. The divots on the top of the cabinet will keep them in place. Just keep in mind that the drawer won't be the most durable option available, and since it doesn't lock, it isn't the most secure either. Number 5. Ebern Designs Cavitt 4-drawer vertical filing cabinet. Vertical file cabinets are a great way to store files without taking up too much floor space, says Pia Thompson, professional home organizer and founder of Sweet Digs. Luckily, we spotted the Ebern Designs Cavitt cabinet, which packs a lot of storage space into a small footprint. Measuring just 14 inches wide, it features 4 drawers that accommodate letter-size, hanging file folders. You can snag the file cabinet in one of 2 neutrals, black or ivory. Each drawer features a chic shaker cabinet-style front with a metal pull handle. Only 2 of the drawers lock and they don't extend all the way out, but this is by design to prevent tipping. The filing cabinet arrives fully assembled, but we love it for its generous size. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.